Okay guys, we got a 2013 Chevy Silverado here. We're gonna show you how to do the CV axles. We're gonna do both of them, but we'll just show you the one side because they're gonna be the same. So let's start by getting the tire off. You need those part numbers, and they are the same part number. We went with Precision, and I can't read that one, but this one is GM8228, N as in Nancy. Again, they're both gonna be the same. Okay, so we got tire off here. So first thing we did was unbolt the sway bar link. That's a 15 millimeter, and do that on both sides so you can just rock it up. And now we can get in there on this CV axle, and we'll pull all those 15 millimeters that go around the CV axle, and then we'll pull this big bad 28, 32, whatever it is. I'll let you know as soon as we grab a socket for that. And then hopefully we can just drop it right there and just shove it right out and pop the new one in. Okay, so I think I can show you better here on the new one. You can see where all those bolts are. We'll get up under there and show you a better view of them. So we're gonna pull all those 15s. It looks like there is 2, 4, 6 of those. And then your large socket out here is a 36 millimeter. So we're gonna pull this bolt off, pull all those. We will drop that down and slide the axle from the outside down to the ground in that manner. Okay, much easier just to use a long extension here and just rotate it as you go. Go ahead, you can. And then he's just pulling those 15s out one at a time. Turn it, see that? And you can just keep your extension in the same spot. One at a time, bam, bam, bam. Then we'll pull out this 36 millimeter nut. Okay, so we got all the 15s out. You can see the axle has already dropped down just a hair right there. So now we'll pull our 36 millimeter. Okay, thought we were gonna get lucky. We were so close, but we're hitting the diff there. So we are gonna pull the strut. We pulled both of these bolts. He's now pulling the upper 3, and we'll just slide the strut, and she should fall right into this cavity right here. So let's get that out and give it a shot. Okay, so we ended up having to take loose also the upper control arm nut there, and once we just tapped on that with a hammer, she dropped down and the axle came free. So now we can go ahead and pull the axle out with the old and with the new. Can you pull that nut off of there, please? And the washer. And then we'll slide it back in and just work everything backwards here. Thank you. Let him grab that side and line it up where he wants it. Oh, there we go. And then we'll just hold it up there. You want to just throw one bolt in it? Fingers in your way there. I'm just gonna put the one in to hold it here. Maybe. If she's not mean to us. You want me to thread one in and you hold it?
There we go.
You got it?
Yep.
Alrighty. So that's in there. That'll hold. Now we can put the nut back on the back side if we wanted on the rotor. We can run all 5 of these in. We'll put our bolts back in the shock mount here and run it backwards. Okay, now we're just rotating it back around, tightening them all up. All right, I will throw the 2 bolts back down under here, and he'll grab that outer side on the ball joint. Okay, now we are going to run our shocks in. Oops, sorry. And our other one. All right, and then he's got our 32 on already. We need to tighten up our control arm, upper control arm, and our 3 bolts on the shock, and we are good to go. So we'll do the other one, and like I said, they're the same, so I think you get the gist of it. So please do me a favor, please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.